Welcome to Unleashed Inventory Management Training Academy. In this video, we'll introduce you to the Advanced Inventory Manager, or AIM, a powerful tool designed to take your inventory management to the next level. Whether you're navigating complex supply chains or simply aiming for smarter stock control, AIM has you covered. AIM is packed with features to help you make data-driven decisions. Let's explore its key functionalities. Forecasting product demand. AIM uses demand forecasts to accurately time upcoming replenishments. Say goodbye to stock shortages or excess inventory. Production planning. With AIM, your forecasts of assembled products will determine component demand, taking all the work out of ordering component quantities and scheduling jobs, ensuring you always have the right stock at the right time. Supplier Performance Tracking. Evaluate your suppliers based on delivery performance, helping you make informed decisions and build stronger supplier relationships. Stock Insights. AIM gives you clear visibility into the state of your inventory, alerting you to upcoming stockouts, as well as overstocks and understock situations to resolve. So, how does AIM work? It integrates seamlessly with your Unleashed account and analyzes your inventory data in near real time. Here's a quick breakdown. First, AIM collects data from your sales, purchases, and stock movements. Using this data, you can easily create forecasts of your most critical inventory items, or model large numbers of products to set stock limits to get control of your inventory. Finally, AIM provides easy-to-read dashboards and reports, so you can make decisions with confidence. The benefits of using AIM are clear. Increased efficiency. Spend less time managing stock and more time growing your business. Cost savings. Reduce holding costs, increasing your cash flow. Increase profitability. With accurate data at your fingertips, you can prevent stockouts, increasing your profitability. Getting started with AIM is simple. If you already have an Unleashed subscription, you can activate AIM directly from your account. Just head to the Advanced Inventory Manager section and follow the setup guide. If you're new to Unleashed, our team is here to help you get started. Thank you for watching. We hope you're as excited as we are about the Advanced Inventory Manager. For more tips, tutorials, and support, visit the Unleashed support page or explore our Academy videos. Start using AIM today and take control of your inventory like never before.